What's going on, everyone? I'm going to do a quick little recap on Amazon. So today, Amazon reclaimed the 20 and the 5-day moving average. This is extremely bullish. You can see coming off of this 5-day decline here into this channel level, we consolidated nicely, and then we got this little bit of a green gap open here where we got back over that 5 and 20-day moving average. Amazon tomorrow for me will be one of the top stocks that I'm going to be watching. Today it did close up $3.50 and about 2.5%. That level that I'm watching to start taking my calls tomorrow on Amazon is going to be over $137.42. With that being taken into context, we do have room to move up at least $1 to $1.50 to around 138.75, and then the 10-day moving average, which is sitting at around 139.21. So I will look to trim profits, and I will look to hold a runner depending on if we look like we're going to close over that level. However, let's say, for example, I take 10 contracts. I'm going to look to sell 5, 6, 7 contracts there in that area. I will hold those last couple to a few remaining contracts to see, do we close over those levels? Is this worth a potential swing trade, a potential rollover into next Friday's expirations? But if you're just looking to play 0 days till expirations, be very, very careful. Make sure that you're taking profits along the way, making sure you're not holding too much drawdown. First things first is you have to protect your capital. It's all about risk management and getting in on the right and proper setups and allowing a trade to actually work for you. So anything over 137.42 does look good. Let's put a 139 price target on this potential trade tomorrow. We're not looking to hit a home run. We're just looking to make $1 or $2 off of the stock, cash out, and start a very, very good weekend. With that kind of being taken into play, let's look at the 1 hour time frame to kind of get a little bit of a smaller time frame picture. You can see that 137.42 is going to have an initial push up to around 139, and then anything over 139 is 139.37, as well as around 140. Now, I really wouldn't get too concerned on Amazon to the downside unless we lose 134.50. At that point in time, this overall uptrend is broken. I would not give it that much room. For example, if we do lose this area, I'm not going to let this drag all the way down here to 134 before it stops me out. I'm going to either use the 5-day or the 10-day moving average as my stop. And as of right now, that price is probably going to be somewhere around 136.45. Just kind of keep that in mind. You do want to give it a chance to wiggle here. You have the 20-day moving average at around 135.83. That could be your absolute rock bottom stop here. So max pain here at around 135.83. If you do want to tighten that up, you can use the 10-day moving average on the 1 hour time frame and just continue to ride this trade, guys. As these moving averages start to fan out here, it's going to create a little bit more support. Nothing is ever going to go in a straight line up, so just know you will have pullbacks. You're going to get that hour, 2 hours in a day where the stock's going to go sideways. It's going to go down. But as long as on an hourly chart on the macro picture for the intraday look, as long as it looks good and it's not losing this 10-day moving average or this 20-day moving average, the trade still looks good to the long side with a lot of open air ahead to around at least 139. That's where I'm going to try to target. Again, size accordingly. If you take one contract and it goes to 139 and you only make 30 or 40 bucks on the contract and you're kind of wondering what's going on, how come all these people are making thousands and thousands of dollars? It's because they're sized a lot bigger. So make sure if you have an account that's going to allow you to size in 10, 15, 20 contracts, make sure you do so accordingly, but also make sure you're taking profits 10, 15, 20, 25% out of the way. And then if we do continue to run, you have those 1 or 2 runners that you're just going to allow to maximize that full profit potential. But until next time, guys, if you guys are looking to learn how to day trade options day in and day out, make sure to go to my website at evolutiontraders.com and become a gold lifetime member. With that, you're going to get access to my Discord community with over 50 active traders on there, where you get 2 video courses, watch list, intraday call outs. We can do live one-on-one voice calls, whatever you guys want to do. Sit and trade with me all day long. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And until next time, guys, let's all profit and make a lot of money together.